So in this video, I'm going to go over a tool and how to use it to successfully transition a child away from a highly preferred activity. So this tool is actually a free app that you can download on your phone. And this is what it looks like, and this is what you should search when you are going to look for it. A visual countdown timer. And you see it looks like a duck. And so what's great about this is that, like I said, it's an app, it's free, and so you usually have your phone with you wherever you are. So it's a very handy tool to be able to use that's convenient. So now I'm gonna open up the app and I'll show you how to use it. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. This is what it looks like when you open it up. So what you'll do is you can set the time to whatever you want. You can set it for quite a substantial amount of time. I'm gonna set it for 20 seconds. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the cues to give the child that you'll want to use each time that you're using the app. So that way it helps build the predictability and understanding that the activity that they're doing currently is going to end because this app is now being brought out. So once you've identified the amount of time that you want to use for the timer, you'll tell the child and show the child the app and say, okay, you have 20 seconds left, then all done. Then you'll push the start button. And now you'll see that a picture is being slowly revealed with an auditory cue as well. And once it gets to be halfway done, you'll say, halfway done. And then when it's a quarter of the way done, you'll say, almost. And then once it finishes, you'll say, all done. And then you'll immediately transition the child away from whatever they're currently doing or transition them away from whatever item that they're currently playing with and usher them along to whatever the next activity is or the next object to be engaging with.